Hyenas are not related to any members of the dog family, though they certainly may look like they are. Nope, not only do they bear no relation to the maned wolf, an inhabitant of South America, but they aren't even cousins to the African wild dog, a resident of Africa, just like the hyena. Nor is the hyena in any way related to the mongoose family, those small carnivores from Africa. Nor the cat family, whether big cat or small. No, the hyena is so unique that it has a family all its own, the Hyenidae family. This is no new family. Hyenas have been around for 24 million years. Unique? Absolutely. And if you look closely, you might see why. First, take a look at those legs. The front legs are longer than the back legs, making hyenas seem like they are always awkwardly moving uphill. But don't let their strange gait fool you. Hyenas are extremely agile and can walk and run with the best of them. Their large jaws are filled with huge teeth that are able to crush bones. And this serves them well in their role of scavengers. Though they are mostly silent, hyenas make a unique sound that can only be described as a cackling howl. Can we top that? Maybe. How about a kangaroo that lives in the trees? Astonishing, isn't it? But that's exactly where Matchie's tree kangaroo makes its home. How about a mammal that lays eggs? Impossible, you say? Not for the monotremes, a unique and primitive kind of mammal that only claims a handful of species, including the echidna, a strange-looking creature with a pointy snout and a spiny coat. Unique? I'll say. What about an animal that has a nose like a moose, a body like a bison, and horns like a wildebeest? Meet the takin, sometimes called the goat antelope. Because, well, it does have certain things in common with both goats and antelopes. But make no mistake, though takins look like they have taken characteristics from a wide array of wildlife, for it, along with the giant panda, are considered national treasures in China. Speaking of the giant panda, this beloved animal is surely unique. What other bear has black and white markings like these? Certainly not the black bear, or the brown bear, or even the sun bear, though the polar bear can claim to be the only great white bear. Not to mention the largest land carnivore in the world. No, the uniqueness of the giant panda just might be in what it chooses to eat. In the wild, this animal feeds primarily on bamboo, the fastest growing woody plant in the world. What other bear eats bamboo? Well, even though carnivorous bears as a group are actually omnivores, meaning they will eat both meat and vegetable matter, depending on availability, bamboo is pretty much the diet staple of only this black and white bear. How seriously does it take bamboo eating? The giant panda has actually evolved to the point where it has an extra wrist bone that works almost as a thumb for holding and stripping bamboo. Most bears seem to hold things awkwardly in their paws, but not this unique bear. Yes, uniqueness abounds in the wildlife in China, but it doesn't stop with the giant panda and the takin. The red panda, like the hyena, is the sole member of its family, Ailuridae. This shy and beautiful arboreal creature may superficially resemble a raccoon, and it may consume bamboo like a giant panda, but it's the one and only one of its kind. Luckily though, there are other red pandas out there in the forest. So being the only one doesn't necessarily mean being alone. Just ask the hyena. As we've seen with the giant panda's super wrist bone, uniqueness doesn't just apply to a kind of animal. It can also apply to something an animal has that no other animal of its species has. How many big cats can you think of with a mane? Just one, the lion. On that note, how many other cats have pom-pom tails? Just the lion. Hey, A tail tuft goes well with the mane. When we come back to Animal Atlas, we'll meet some more unique animals.